Hi guys, welcome back to the shed. So today I need to swap the headlights of my Corsa B. They're actually not broken or anything like that, but unfortunately they are not providing enough light. Okay, so I bought new headlights. Those were really cheap. It's amazing the low cost of maintenance of a car like this. Anyway, I was going through the Haynes manual, and apparently we are supposed to remove the protection of the front bumper in order to remove the headlights. However, looking at the new headlight, there's no screw in here, so there's only two screws, this one and this one, and then we need to we have some kind of fitting that can be pulled out. So I'll try to remove it without doing anything to the actual bumper and see if it works. Okay, I will just disconnect the battery and go through all the steps, but let's see if we can remove this without touching the bumper. Okay, so first things first, and the first thing is to actually disconnect the battery. So in here we should have, what is it, 10 millimeter. This is loose already because I was fiddling with it previously. Okay, so negative terminal removed. Okay, so usually I just put it to the side. In this case, in this car, it's a little bit tricky, so I will put in here some kind of a rag so that we don't have contact, like so. Okay, so looking in here, it seems there's a little bit of slack in the connections, so I will try to remove the headlights first to push it a little bit, and then remove the connections so that I don't need to mess up with the air filter, because I'm not sure if I can put my hand in there. So I'll remove these two 8mm bolts, one in here and one in here, and then I will try to pull this forward and inwards. Okay guys, sorry, I was looking at the camera instead of looking at the headlight. It's not this one, of course. This one is for the bumper. It's this one. Okay. So this is the one that we should be removing. Okay, so far really easy. Just pulled it forward, and then instead of inwards it was just a little bit upwards, and it's almost out. So now I'll proceed to remove the connections, the electrical connections, and we should be good. Okay, so the headlight is already out. I actually had to pull it completely out, and then I removed the electrical connections because I was not being able to put my hand in there. So ignore the Haynes manual. at least for the 1.5 turbo diesel. I'm not sure if in case of some other bumpers, for instance GSI or something like that, I'm not sure if you have to actually remove the bumper, but in this case you don't. Now it's just a matter of swapping the motor into the other headlight and putting it back in, and I will do the same, of course, for the other side. Okay, so now I have everything swapped into the newest unit. So the motor, I don't know, this I believe it's the turn signal, and of course the bulbs in here and in here as well. And this is it. I will do the connections outside, and then I will push it in again. So the reversal. Okay, it's in. Everything is connected. The only problem was that I had was that this connection was not so the pins were not straight, but well, Chinese headlights, what can we expect, right? But other than that, it was a really smooth job. Comparing, I don't know, it's probably the easiest car that I've worked on in this regard. It is definitely easier than the Audi A65, and it's also definitely easier than the Alfa Romeo 156. Well, by far, it's, I know, I don't remember exactly, but probably only my Nissan Micra K11 was as simple as this one. Okay, so pretty easy, guys. I'll tackle the driver's side, well, at least for us that drive on the right side of the road, right? And I will test it afterwards. Further testing, I have no light in the left daytime light. So what I'm looking at in here is that the terminals are not okay, so I'll try to fix it with a small screwdriver. Okay, it's looking a little bit better. Let's put a bulb in there and test it again. Okay, so it seems that it's working. So success, right? You cannot see much, but I'll try it. Like this, and it seems that the lights are actually different, so this one is a little bit brighter, it's white color, while the other it's not. So I'll probably just need to change the bulb. And okay, and the high beams. So job done, right? Now the only thing that's left is to change the bulb on the left side and to go to the shop and align it. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you to my only subscriber, Andrei Scaravello. I think that's how it's pronounced. If not, I'm sorry, man, but thank you very much. You are my first subscriber. So I'm not sure if you'll stay around. I really hope so. Thank you, and see you next time, guys.